Bree the Coupon Queen. Happy Sunday and happy coupons galore day. So Sunday is always my favorite day because we get a ton of coupons, we get our inserts, we get more digital coupons, printable coupons, and of course at CVS we can print our CRTs and instant coupons. So quick tip on an update on CVS CRTs. I'm not sure if just my location was having an issue at the Red Box. We're supposed to be getting a couple instant coupons. Typically, when I go to the Red Box, I'll type in my phone number or swipe my card at least 3 times so that way all the coupons in CRTs will print. However, it only let me do it 1 time today, so that was kind of weird. The instant coupons did not print for me. I know last week we had that issue with the Garnier facial care instant coupon not printing, and it finally was able to print around Thursday or Friday. So just a heads up on that. Drop a comment below when you guys print your CRTs if it's allowing you to print them all, and if you're able to get that the instant coupons for this week, because that's what's going to make a lot of these deals amazing. So every Sunday morning, I log on to coupons.com and check for the printable coupons. So we have a couple good printable coupons available today, so I wanted to go through and show you guys. $2 off one Clearasil product. That is a good coupon to print. And again, we always have the Gerber coupons available. Those are available almost every single week, which is awesome. 50 cents off one New York Bakery Texas Toast. I absolutely love Texas Toast, so I'll definitely be grabbing that. We have Windex and Scrubbing Bubble coupons again. More Scrubbing Bubbles over here. Prego is a repeat, the 75 cents off of 2. Lubriderm as well. All of these are repeat coupons, which means it resets so you are able to print them again. So if you printed them last week, you should be able to print them again, which would be awesome. Let's see, Slim Fast, $2 off any one. That's a good coupon there. And of course we have all of our Aveeno coupons. Let's see. Garnier Fructis, 11.8 ounce treat shampoo, conditioner, or 1 minute mask. That's a good one to print. I'm not sure what that qualifies for. I've never seen these products in store, but it might be something new that's rolling out in a couple different locations. And let's see, the RX bar, that's a good one to print for Ibotta. There are Ibotta rebates on that, so you can pick those up at Walmart if you're trying to do any Ibotta rebates. Same with the 4-pack. Let's see. This Cheerios is a new coupon if you guys want to print that. We're not huge cereal eaters in the house, so I'm not going to grab that one. $2 off any 2 Nivea lip product. If you haven't printed that yet, make sure you guys go ahead and print that. There's a really good deal going on the following week that we can use that for. So make sure you print it now because we don't know how long that one's going to last. $4 off any Blue Buffalo dry dog or cat food. That's a really good coupon. That's what I use for my dog, so I always stock up on those coupons when they come. This is a great coupon. So we rarely ever get trash bag coupons. This is a $3 off on Glad trash bags. It's the really large ones, the 80 count or more. So that's definitely a good coupon. So these are my favorites. We got a $5 off any 3 Colgate coupon, and we have some Colgate deals going on at CVS, so that's going to make for an amazing deal. I'll make sure that I include that in my breakdowns for today, because let's see. The Schick disposables as well. It's the same coupon that's going to be in the inserts. So we didn't get as many coupons printable as I thought we would for how many are in the inserts. My inserts today were actually really small. I barely got any coupons. So I'd have to check the insert preview online and see which ones maybe my region didn't get, which is kind of a bummer. I am in Florida. We did get the 75-cent coupon for the Irish Spring and the soft soap. So kind of a bummer. I know a lot of people were dropping comments where their region was, and you guys all seem to be getting the dollar coupon. So I'm super jealous about that. Okay, so yeah, at CVS for the Colgate, for the manual toothbrushes are on sale. I don't think they actually have a toothpaste deal. Maybe it's Walgreens that's going to have a better deal. Either way, I'll definitely let you guys know which one is the best deal. The Eucerin, $3 off. It says limit reached because I've already printed it enough times. So make sure you guys grab that coupon. We have a Eucerin deal today this week at CVS. Spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. I did get a $3 off 10 lotion CRT and a $2 off Eucerin or Aquaphor lotion CRT. So that will be a nice little moneymaker for me. So I'll have that in my Sunday CVS haul and the breakdown. I also wanted to share with you guys the different digital coupons available. So these are just all my CRTs. As you can see, like none of these printed. I don't know why. So I'll have to go through and clip the ones that I'm going to use today and send them to my card. I got a $2 off 2 Lady Speed Stick. The last week I also got a $1 off any deodorant CRT. So that's going to be a moneymaker for me as well, which is awesome. And then there's another cool one I wanted to show you guys that I got. Oh, it must be up here. I got a $3 off 3 soft soap. I have a 2 off 6 body wash CRT. And I got a $2 off any 3 Irish Spring body wash. So the Irish Spring soft soap deal is a limit of 4. So the deal is buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. So technically you can buy 12 because you can do that deal 4 separate times. So I'm going to do the deal twice. One is going to be all soft soap and one is going to be all Irish Spring. And I'm going to be using these CRTs, which is going to be really, really great deals. Okay, so for the digital coupons, we have a digital for Schick disposables, which is awesome. So you want to go ahead and send that to your card. Tide Simply, I always stock up on, so send that to my card. These expire January 25th, so this is going to be the last week to use these until we get more coupons in the February P&G insert. What else? What else? Some of these are older. I already used them. $2 off 2 Head & Shoulders, but this is the Royal Oils, so you have to make sure you're obviously getting the right product. We have a digital version as well, $5 off of 3 Colgate Total Advanced and Optic White, so definitely send that one to your card. I don't know when it could possibly disappear. We have $2 off Nivea Lotion and the $3 off Eucerin. Send to card this Nivea lip as well for the deal the following week. So those are all really hot coupons. The Edge or Skintimate $1 off 2 is a good coupon to send. The Edge Shave Gel and the Skintimate Shave Gel are usually included in the Schick deal. So you want to make sure that you're adding those. $2 off Clearasil. $1 off 2 Colgate is a good one to send to your card as well. Let's see what else. These are older ones because I've already added them to my cards. They were available a couple weeks ago. 2 off 2 Head & Shoulders. Let's see if there's any other good ones to grab. I think that's about it. I'm going to be doing the Garnier facial care today. I know we've had that deal a couple different times and I've kind of passed on it every time, but I'm definitely going to take advantage of it today. I do have a couple coupons that I'm going to be using and CRTs that I got. I got a $2 off Garnier Micellar Water. And fun fact, I use fake lashes every once in a while, but the glue always stays on my eyelashes and my makeup remover doesn't get it off. So I asked my friend how she does it and she said she uses the micellar water. So I thought that was pretty cool. So that's why I'm going to get that product and give that a shot next time I put on some lashes. And that looks like that's the last of the digital coupons. So make sure you guys go through, send the ones to your card that you guys are going to be using, and let me know again in the comments if you guys are able to get those instant coupons to print. When I go shop today, I'm going to try to do it again. I might stop at a different CVS, see if that red box is working or if maybe there's kind of a glitch in my account again. Fingers crossed there's not. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, of course, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any deals or coupons and how to put the two together for the most savings possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later for my CVS haul.